It's very fresh. Let's see the gills. It's nice. Yes. Now I'm gonna fillet it, okay? We have to see the two fines, this one. You can see here a small hole here or here, yes. You can put the knife here, you can cut. Let's take out the guts, okay? Most important things we have to do here, we have to clean this blood part. All the blood parts we have to clean, okay? For example, I can do like this way with this knife or with the spoon. Firstly, I will clean, okay? Yes, it's a clean one. You can see here, I don't have the blood. Nice. You can see here, there is the fine. From this fine, I have to take the upper side fillet and lower side fillet, okay? This is the so fragile fish, so we have to be careful. Okay? You have to give the love, seems like a very small baby. Yes. Now other side, same process. Okay, nice. Let's go for other side. And other side as well, same process. Nice. The knife is cutting very well. Fuck man. Secure the bones, you know, secure the tail part, then let's go. Yes, nice. Just a little bit problem here, just a little bit. Other is very good. Other side as well. Nice. This is the Cicero Atlantic Horse Mackerel. It's a big carapace. Now I'm gonna clean the belly bones. When you are taking the belly bones, it will be easy when you are going to give the little bit signal here, like this way. Nice. Now let's go. Let's take out the pin bones. For the carapace, for the Atlantic Horse Mackerel, I have to put a little bit more salt and I have to wait a little bit more time, not 20 minutes, okay? At least 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna put it inside the fridge, then after I will come back after 30 minutes. After waiting 30 minutes, you can see lots of water will come out from the horse mackerel. Now I'm gonna clean this, then after I'm gonna put inside the vinegar. This is the sushi rice vinegar. I'm gonna put inside this vinegar 5 minutes, then after I'll take out. So all the anisake gonna die. So it will safe and sound to eat raw meat. Okay, now I'm gonna take out after 5 minutes. You can see the vinegar gonna damage the meat, damage the color. But don't worry, because it will damage the parasite and bacteria, so it will feel safe and sound to eat raw. I'm gonna make pressed sushi at home, very easy way, okay? Firstly, I'm gonna take out the skins, okay? Let's see. Then I'm gonna open from the middle part and just a little bit from here, like this. I'm gonna use the bamboo mat. Use the bamboo mat on the top. Normally when I'm making the sushi roll, I'm using this bamboo mat downside, bottom side, but to make the pressed sushi you have to use upper side, okay? I'll use just a little bit wasabi. This is totally optional, but it will give the more flavor and spiciness. Just a little bit ginger pickles. Also, if you want, you can use sisal leaves, onion chips. After that, I will moisturize my hand in tej water. Then I'm gonna clap it. like this. Take the rice ball, then put here. If you feel rice is a little bit more, you can take out, okay? It's depend on you. I'll give the little bit pressure here, then simply flip it. Normally, you can cut directly if you want. If you are making sushi, that kinds of pressed sushi at home, first time, you can use the film plastic. So it will secure and it will easy to cut down. I'm gonna cut here, then press it. Nice. Then half, half. Okay, let's go half, 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 and half. Then one more time, you can give the press here. Then take out the film plastic. Nice. It is fucking good pressed sushi at home. Firstly, I'm gonna use soy sauce, okay? This is the special soy sauce I made here at home. Now I'm gonna do the aburi. Yes, this is how we can make our beautiful and delicious fresh sushi at home with Atlantic horse mackerel. And on the top, we can use just a little bit Himalayan rock salt. Okay, another way to eat this fresh sushi with seaweed as well, okay? So is totally seaweed full. Then in a 3-piece. Then you will have nori here. Your sushi roll is here. Then when you're gonna give the clients in a fine dining restaurant in Omakase, take the sushi roll. Then give like this. That's it, guys. This is how we can make our pressed sushi at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.